Hey everyone, welcome back to O-Level Oasis, your guide to exam success in CIE Biology 5090. Today, we're starting something fresh, Chapter 7, Transport in Flowering Plants. I've got the topical notes ready for you, and you'll find them in the description and the comments, so you can follow along easily. We're going to begin with Unit 7.1, Uptake and Transport of Water and Ions. This is straight from the syllabus, so you know we're covering exactly what you need for your exam. Alright then, let's get started. So, starting with specification number 1, relate the structure of root hair cells to their function of water and ion uptake. Now, plants have roots that absorb water and mineral ions from the soil. And this uptake happens through special cells in the roots called root hair cells. As you can see here, we have a cross-section of a root with root hairs. The diagram shows the root, the surrounding soil particles, and the movement of water and minerals into the cell. If you look closely, the root hair cell has a large vacuole and a nucleus, and this is exactly how a root hair cell looks. Now, talking about root hair cells, these are found on the outer surface of plant roots. They have tiny root hairs, which are extensions of the cell membrane that grow between soil particles. This clever design allows them to absorb the maximum amount of water and minerals. These root hairs greatly increase the surface area of each cell, and that's really important, because the bigger the surface area, the faster and more efficiently absorption can happen. Water moves into root hair cells by osmosis, because the water potential in the soil is higher than that in the cytoplasm of the root hair cell. Minerals, on the other hand, are taken in through active transport. So overall, root hair cells play a key role in increasing the root's surface area, making sure the plant can absorb as much water and as many minerals as it needs from the soil. Now, here's what we can observe. This diagram gives us a clear overview of how root hair cells interact with their surroundings. Plant roots grow deep within the soil, and if we zoom in on a cross-section of a root, we can see them extending outward into the surrounding soil particles. Looking closely at the cross-section, the outermost layer is made up of root hair cells. Moving inward, we find the cortex cells, and deeper still, the xylem and phloem. This arrangement shows the exact path water and minerals take after entering through the root hairs. Zooming in further, we notice multiple root hair cells nestled between soil particles. These root hairs, extensions of the cell membrane, weave through the soil, greatly increasing the surface area for absorption. Inside each root hair cell, we can spot the cell wall, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and a large vacuole, all working together to aid absorption. The diagram makes it clear that root hair cells are part of a highly organized system. They don't function alone, instead, they work with other tissues to transport water and minerals throughout the plant. This directly connects to what we've learned. Root hairs increase surface area, absorb water by osmosis, and take in minerals through active transport.